standard 5 students, welcome. Now we will teach the SST chapter 3rd. Chapter 3rd is the weather versus climate. Weather versus climate. So open the page 20. Open the page number 20, 20 to 26. It is weather versus climate. What is weather? First of all, we want to know what is weather. Weather, it is hour to hour, day to day of the atmosphere. Hour to hour and day to day of the atmosphere. That is called weather. So weather is it is hour to hour, day to day condition of the atmosphere. Condition of the atmosphere. Okay. What is weather? It is hour to hour, day to day condition of the atmosphere. Okay. Then climate. Weather versus climate. Then climate. What is climate? It is the average weather condition. It is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Okay. It is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. So, okay, what is weather and what is climate? Weather is the hour to hour, day to day condition of the atmosphere, and climate is the average weather condition of the place over a long period of time. It is not a short period of time is the weather, but it is the long period of time, 20 years, 30 years maybe. Okay, it is the climate. Then factors, both the factors same, weather factor and climate factor same. Both, this is a similarity in the factors only, similarity in the factors. So factors are, first factor is the temperature. First is the temperature, distance, height of the sea level. Three factors are there. One is temperature, degree of hotness and coldness in the air. What is temperature? Degree of hotness and coldness in the air. That is called temperature. Then distance from the equator. When we go higher, we feel cool. Okay. So distance of the equator. Equator is the hottest place. When we go away from the equator, so less heat we will observe, less heat we will observe. Then distance from the equator. Then height from the sea level, height above the sea level. Okay, these are the three factors. Sea level, height. Then level of the sea, it is cool. Then height of the sea level, it is too cool. Cooler you go, higher you go, cooler you feel. Okay. Then three heat zones. So let us look at the picture. Three heat zones. First is the North Pole, South Pole. These are the coolest place because sun is here. This is the slanting ray. This is the direct ray. Slanting ray is the less heat. So it is the coolest place. North Pole, South Pole. These are the Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. These are the coolest place. So it is called frigid zone. The three heat zone on the basis of heat received by the earth. Three heat zone on the basis of heat received by the earth. So the torrid zone, frigid zone and temperate zone. Three zones are there. Mainly torrid zone. Torrid zone, it is between Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. It is between the torrid zone. This is the coolest place is the frigid zone. Frigid. Frigid means cool. Frigid zone, torrid zone, temperate zone. Temperate zone is not too cold, not too hot. That is temperate zone. The area between the torrid zone and frigid zone. The area between the torrid zone and frigid zone, it is called temperate zone. Okay, temperate zone is the area between the torrid zone and the frigid zone. Torrid zone, frigid zone, that is called temperate zone. Okay, temperate zone, frigid zone. So the moderate climate. Then come to the climate. Moderate climate. Okay, moderate climate place located near the sea is neither hot in summer nor cold in winter. That is Mumbai. Mumbai is the example. The place located near the sea, neither hot in summer nor cold in winter. That is example is the Mumbai. Then extreme climate. Extreme climate. It is opposite. Extreme climate. The place far away from the sea coast and hot in the summer and very cold in the winter. Very hot in the summer, very cold in the winter. That is called, example is the Delhi. Delhi is the hottest and very cold. Okay, it is the extreme climate because it is away from the sea coast. Mumbai is the close to the sea, so it is moderate climate. Extreme climate is the Delhi. It is far away from the sea coast. Then humidity. The amount of, last is the seventh is the humidity. Humidity, the amount of moisture or water vapor present in the air. Present in the air, that is called humidity. हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं गुलगुली, गुलगुली होता है. Okay, that is the amount of moisture or water vapor present in the air. Okay, then last is the altitude. Last is the altitude. Height above the mean sea level. That is called altitude. Height above the mean sea level. Okay, that is called altitude. Higher. So height above the mean sea level is called altitude. So weather, what is weather? The hour to hour, day to day condition of the atmosphere is called weather. Climate, it is the average weather condition. It is the average weather condition of the place over a long period of time. Then factors. Factors are, three factors are there. Temperature, distance from the equator. Okay, distance from the equator. Height of the sea level. Then three heat zone. Temperate zone, frigid zone, torrid zone. Okay, then moderate climate. Moderate climate is not too hot, not too cold because it is close to the sea. Mumbai. Then extreme climate opposite. Too hot in summer, too cold in winter. That is called Delhi. Then humidity. Present of moisture and water vapor present in the air. It's called humidity. Then altitude. Height above the mean sea level. Height above the mean sea level is called altitude. Okay. Remember the picture. It is the globe. The equator is here, and this portion is the torrid zone. Heat zone. Torrid zone is two heat zone. Temperate zone, not heat, nor heat, nor cold. This is frigid zone, too cold, because polar region is the frigid zone. So it is all about the weather versus climate. Remember the chapter mindfully, then write the question answer and remember it. So what is all about weather versus climate. Have a nice day. Keep it up. Okay. Thank you all of you.